Kyle's car. Yeah, I can get out. Oh, God! How did this happen? How? Maybe I just walk away. Maybe I won't tell him. Oh, this thing's heavy. I'll move out of state. I'll leave the country. Oh, why? Oh. My mom told me this is gonna happen. Oh, she's always right. Dang it, Mom, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, okay? Oh, no wonder my brother's a favorite. I think I might be freaking out. Why? Oh, my eyes! How is this possible? Oh, no. You saved me.
You're welcome. This is weird. Dude, so how was it?
Oh, it was great, man. It was a really nice ride. No issues at all, actually. Beautiful ride you got there.
Hey! You scratched the fender, dude.
Oh, sorry about that. Woo!